peace, love, and life. Healing through inspiration. Feathers. Whoop. Feathers. Whoop. You think you see the feathers? Oh, my fault. Y'all probably getting see it. Feathers. We're not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great day. American pride. We're not just talking it, living it. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. You know we gotta wear a feather, man. That mean a lot to us these days. Just at the forest, man. So beautiful, man. And hours. Been sitting there for hours. I didn't really leave. You know, but it was like, hey, gotta go back, gotta take care. Gotta take care of pups. We got food and water and stuff. Dog stuff. But man, I'm gonna say this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you guys haven't already. Make sure you guys, you know, you guys book one-on-one consultation. And we're back. But if you guys want to book one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. They can just DM us on Instagram. I don't know why you guys aren't following us there yet. Make sure you guys go do that. You post there on a regular day. Too, I wanted to say this too, that we got our American Apparel originally pioneer. Make sure you guys go support, check us out. Look out for them. Oh, we also got a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com. Go check that out. And check out the questions we got in the thing about what I was going to say, like I was doing some thinking. And I want to look at these videos. As I was thinking, I heard hearing from let's see, a brother. No way, are they ready? Nope. Nope, not ready yet. Not ready yet. Oh, this one might be ready. Nope. Holy smoke. Oh, sorry, I just let me tell you guys about these. Okay. Look how the seeds grow. You dig? Laying on the ground. Grow again. You dig? Excited. There was a video of a brother talking about, you know, with the gun. You know, these youngsters now with these guns, they got, you know, he said that they had guns growing up too. They had like pistols and whatnot. But now these youngsters, they got automatics and whatnot. It's like, it's different. So, and I was just hearing that. I'm just like, why doesn't anybody in the equation come to the involvement as far as like, well, one, you don't make your own gun. So who gave you those pistols and whatnot and put those guns in your community? Who gave those youngsters these automatics and whatnot to put them in their populace, I should say. It might have changed by the change, but you know, having a community. Because the community is when you run the businesses, control things, control the police, vote in and out of the office if you choose to do that. And as far as things you regulate. You regulate things, own businesses, support your businesses, and you know, you control the police. That's what the community does. So what you have now is just a populace. So who gave these youngsters these pistols and these automatics? Wouldn't it be the same person who gave y'all the gun? And nobody's ever going to question the fact, the involvement of the government with this? Huh? Nobody's ever going to question that, huh? Nobody's ever going to question that at all? You know, these guns, like I said, we don't make the gun, but yet they give you the gun. I'm telling you, I said it before in videos, and even in the one, the birthdays exist videos, that with these guns, question that, yo. I said it's the U.S. government's involvement, but what is the people want to do in order to change that? You know? What is the people gonna do in order to change that? This music is throwing me off. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna take it go back. But like I said, man, these guns, who gave y'all these? And what are they there for? And what are they there for? Honestly. Because with these guns, man, okay, man. I had to say, as far as with the firearms and stuff, man, I had to go change. I had to go check somewhere else where we working up loud music and whatnot. But I was saying, as far as with the firearms, I've said this in the videos, do birthdays and things, but you can get guns for free. You literally can get guns for free. Literally, guns are free. They won't give you food for free in order to give to you without going into a store. You can't go to the store and get a free gun. But you can go, they'll let you go to the store and get free food. You know, depending on some of the things, you know, it's like the food or whatnot. But sometimes they do people's records, or, you know, just other stuff like that. How they run it, you know. But they give you free guns. There's literally been stories of people talking about crates of guns in in alleys, abandoned places, and just leaving the alleys and whatnot. They give you guns for free. They want you to destroy yourself, man. It's the same way they got the liquor stores on all the corners. It's the same thing they've been doing to the Americans ever since they've been on their own land. Is to keep them sedated and want them to kill themselves, and that's the destruction. And it's the same thing going on. After this liquor store, so they got you with the fire water, and they got you with the gun. And I really think it's more drugs than that. You know, because a lot of times they got y'all sedated off this weed. And when I really think, you know, people, they got y'all addicted to this weed. I mean, you know they after it for you. They literally after it for you. They lock you up. They will give you decades or just years and time to track away simply for smoking this weed. I don't smoke weed. Hey, you know, a lot of other people, they show you that the weed, a lot of other people and a lot of natural doctors and whatnot, even real doctors, they'll tell you that weed, it wasn't made to be smoked. It wasn't made to be smoked. With regards to the fact that you shouldn't be sedated. You shouldn't be sedated. You need to be aware. You can simply get high off of life, really. Pursuing your passion, doing things you enjoy and whatnot, and just with that. And I think that, you know, as far as the drugs you got to consume, as far as the stuff they put in the food, what they call you food, it's a lot of processed garbage and whatnot. You know, fast food and whatnot. I'm just thinking to the point, like, you know, some people are so arrogant with it, they want to eat that and destroy themselves. I'm like, hey, so if you own that, maybe if you own a fast food chain, hey, I'm not mad at you, really. In a sense, depending on how you do it, that if you use it in order to help people who do want to get healthy, maybe with that, y'all let me know what y'all think on that one. But as far as with the drugs, man, the drugs, they do stuff to get you sedated. I mean, you can get high off of life. You get high off of life and get high off of your passions and whatnot. And right now, if you got a passion, you want to start, you know, try to make it into a business. If you don't know how, that's why we came here with the course below. We got a course in the description box. We'll let you know how to start a business wherever you want. Or if you do have a business you want to further advance, we got that course for you in the description box. If you guys got to sign up, it's in the description box below. Make sure you guys go do that. And also, you guys want to book a consultation, you can DM us at healingthroughinspiration on Instagram. Check out the stuff in the description box. You know, grab some amazing apparel. You know, but make sure you guys do something to change yourself. We really recommend that for the best course we've ever taken in our life. Say that for sure. Yeah. Make sure you guys better yourself. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification.